Well, hey guys, hey, sorry about the wind. We're out today, and down in Salisbury, you can see where the erosion is, and it wiped out that whole bank. I mean, this fence post and everything hanging, decks. So I figured I'd give it a shot. But yeah, it's crazy Chris over there. So my first target, I'll show you. It's a good 1935 dog tag. No, wait a minute, it might be earlier than that. Haverhill, my hometown. Something too. Not sure. Yeah, we'll see you on the wrap up. We'll figure it out. I'll put my glasses on. Yeah. Alright, later guys. Hey guys, still here at the beach hunting over in Salisbury. The erosion, all imports as I felt. It was all the way down the coastline. But our second target, we got that first dog tag. Then I think we're gonna have a buff. She's green. Yeah, gonna be a bluff. Pick up a date on it. Let's see. Some light on it. No, I don't see a date. When it dries. Look at the detail on that. I like that green. Oh, maybe 1920, guys? Not sure. Let me clean it up a little bit. Guys, that's going to be 1920. You can see it. Alright, anything else? We'll turn it back on. Hey guys, third target. I just thought it was going to be a piece of scrap, so I cleaned it up. But it's actually kind of cool. It's got, so you can see it, hands are frozen. It's going to say E.T. Burroughs & Co. Patented. Let's see. September 8th of, it looks probably 1898. In Portland, Maine. I'll zoom in a little bit. There you go. Yeah, still here braving it. I mean, there's quite a few homes that are back decks are just ripped off. Look at that one over there, huh? It's all the way down the seacoast, like I was saying. But we've only actually been in this one little spot. Anything else? We'll turn you back on. Well, folks, I'm up behind these houses here. These seem to be smolders. The St. James house. Seems to be, that one's pretty old. That one's fairly old. I just got a fairly old target. I don't know if you can see that. Back you out a little bit. Just got a set of cup links. Yeah, let's see if we can clean it up a little bit and let me show you. It's a one-piece cup link. Alright, let's check it out. Well, we cleaned them cup links up. Well, that one set of cup links. And it's going to have some gold gilt on it, as you can see. Yeah, very nice. Hey, anything else? We'll turn you back on.